baby is killed every 6 seconds, 9 babies are killed every 4 minutes, and 137 babies are killed every hour, according to All American Life League. Abortion is murder, in such a selfish way to end an innocent person's life. We are killing a sweet baby that has done nothing to deserve it. I am Catholic, and if you don't know, it is a sin to kill someone, and I've grown up on strong morals of being pro-life. The woman and the man should be held accountable for their actions, whether it is to keep the child or place a baby for adoption, but abortion should not be an option. Meanwhile, the procedures that take place to abort a baby are absolutely brutal. Abortion is murder. If a person kills another human being, it's considered a crime, correct? How is this any different? A baby has flesh, blood, and bones, just like any other human. This is destroying a baby. The child doesn't even come out in one piece when an abortion is done. At just 6 weeks, an unborn baby is able to experience pain. Some women use the term terminating the pregnancy because they feel less guilty, as if they would say, "I killed my baby." How can people possibly live every day knowing what they did? Catholics have such a strong belief in being pro-life. Yes, being pro-life goes beyond abortions. It's to value life itself. The babies that are being killed don't get to witness the value of life because of others who are pro-choice. Thou shalt not kill is the 6th of the 10 commandments. You're committing not only a crime or a murder, but a sin. The Bible does not clearly state not to abort babies, but it does talk about the value of human life. Isn't that the same thing? If life is valued itself, then God should be trusted that He has a plan. He has given us babies to love and to cherish, not to abort. It takes 2 to tango. Not only is the woman responsible for her actions, but the man is as well. The couple chose not to prevent it from happening, so grow up and deal with the consequences. There's no reason to kill an innocent little baby due to the poor actions and failed responsibilities you chose to commit to. There's only one reason to which I think abortion may be questionable, and that would be rape. I couldn't imagine the feeling and emotions of going through rape that ends in pregnancy, but it does happen. Even so, couldn't you place a child up for adoption? Otherwise, abortion is not an answer. If others aren't ready for a child, they don't want the child in a harmful environment, or they cannot provide the needs, then the baby should be placed with a different family who can provide a much more loving and supportive lifestyle. Many women cannot have children, so why not decide to fulfill their dreams by adoption instead of abortion? Many people are unaware of how the abortion procedure is done. There are many different ways, but the most common technique is done by vacuum. A strong suction rips the placenta as it tears the baby to pieces, being disposed into an attached jar. The limbs are detached from the body by the force of the vacuum, and then this innocent baby is now gone due to people's selfishness. Another way abortion is done is by poisoning the baby with salt. When poisoning the baby, the doctor punctures the stomach and inserts the needle into the sac the baby is in. The salt then poisons the baby's lungs, causing suffocation, and it only takes a few hours for the infant to swallow the salt and for it to burn their skin off. Then the baby no longer has a heartbeat. After this torturous procedure takes place, the mother will go into a normal labor and delivers the deceased little ones. How can people kill babies is beyond my belief. Abortion is not the answer. Abortion is murder. The killing of babies is outrageous these days. Learn to value not only your life, but the baby's life too. Stop being selfish and be responsible for your actions, even if that is by carrying the baby full term and keeping it, or giving it up for adoption. Take the huge leap of faith and decide not to kill the soft-hearted baby, because they have feelings too.